Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim Masyukri, and today I will present how to download, how to install the Xampp. Uh, 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 in this video, I already downloaded. Uh, so I pre-record the installation, so I can brief in how I install the Xampp. So this video where I download the Xampp. First, you need to go to the website and click on the Xampp for Windows. Click it and you start the download. Okay, wait a second. Yes, after you complete the download, you go to the download directory, find the program, and start the installation. Okay, you start the installation. Okay, this is setup. Next, make sure all this thing is tick. Yeah. Then we can click next. This is where we want to want save the file. So I choose to save in the driver and rename it as Xampp. So next, English, the language English. Next, next. Now the setup is ready. Then we need install. We will skip this part because it's too long. It's too long to wait. After you finish, click finish and click finish. And this video we stop here. This video for Xampp control panel. Go to Xampp control panel, then run as a administrator because it involve firewall security. And you need to click start on Apache and MySQL. Click start on it. Click config. In auto start of module, click tick Apache MySQL. Then you need to click save. Okay, click save. Then how we need to confirm that our installation is success. So we will go to the Google. Search localhost, and in that page it will tell you that you already successfully installed them on this on our system. That's all for my video. Thank you.